Inspector General of Police IGP say aye ne wura ho papa na ne buafu papa na ne bufu afu ni say bank ahodo atwase o mam no ne buafu won wo se da bia pressifo mo de musika akọ bank ye samo de kọ here press ni tika mu enye no afi atwa mu ye to pressifo bebre tuo a wo tika mu a wo de sika ekọ bank na sese de nya de otra se ayehwe ha ma akoso sa ni sent ni buafu papa ana de ato bank ahodo ni nyina mu se wo de ato wanim se efi na ekro wo bank ya wo du sika ekọ bank na van a wo de kọ no enye bullion van no so de aka no se de ya mod one bulletproof ni bi ena wo sika no mu de na etomda project for ye nkyira mu ka ma na se ni mati emfa mu sika enko bank bi o enti bo bank bi ansa no so na oni so sa pepepepe ena wo hosam a asi enra yi na no ena director of public affairs ma process adwuma no superintendent Sila Abaye Bokman ena adom kase edi nkomo no kyerekere anamo a process adwuma no etu ensem a IGP de ababeto anim no se ne won so babeto anamo
efa ne ka ye friend bullion van a bank for edisisa sika enam enu subi ye police ni eboa amaya boban a akonfo wenfuo ekokun no brano IGP police sahene any police mpanimfo ye ne stakeholders oma ye ne won din so a omanfo ka ho bi ehiem adwendwene ensem bi ho entaya ade a IGP any bankers association of bankers edikan ehiem ama IGP de to won anim se ehun behia se kasa mu didudwumen omo be fa ne a etu obom krampo na entumi emfa glass mu ana entumi mfam enkoku obi wo mu no ema omo hyebo se acha afi 2021 bosumi a ewo mu nkona bi ye de na o ma yesa enu nti na IGP esan ye kai sa association of bankers enam Bank of Ghana so yetumi collaborate din sa no edin kita ho da ne da se omo bosha one omo hyeye no o hwe se omo bedisu na nyasa yentumi mfa police fo metna mu wobra yentumi provide bambo enso mayen a police fo ewo yenjumadiem
Director of Public Affairs ma process adwuma no Superintendent Sila Abaye Bokman ye tene ne na de bra Facebook se ayi wada Roma what the bullion van be their friend say bulletproof ni bi ato ho na wan kasa hu ni a se ne ye a we hu say yes enye their process ni bi etimu a chachi ya tu ni twa bio enye ntenche ma bi ne wututuo na ne sika nkura de wo mo be wo na the friend say bulletproof ni de wan kasa na ayi ayi wada ato ho wo be hu difference hwe difference no de no abrantie process ni timu a akromfo akum ni ya ene de wo mo de ato ho no bra behwe papa bi na chese ya ka bulletproof bullion van no a enu bi na so nti bra Facebook se sia na behwe difference ni de nti a IGP ebo afuno na chese odini sa na wei ena Sila esane akire mu se president for the number bi atodwa number no de ato ho no na ne wo hu se bibi koso wo ba bi anye na wo pesa president for aso ate a bomode afre sa number na president for ebetu hu America se sisi a aba abetu hu anamon
CID headquarters NACC omo IGP ashese ye investigation and I should more was ye billion van attack isi e Jamestown one crime memo no omo take over automatic over the data ama crime scene experts akọ scene ho a omo fa akwanya hodo e was omo fa mu na yetimi chi akonfo remfo ya omo kọbọ okro no e Jamestown we akete na amanfo e wo ho nti yesre omanfo titiw mu amoni hu de ekọso na wo information bia se za confirm fui woni mu bia na suspect you be say yi police fu asotire obetimi akọ police station bia e benwo na wako ka kire yen ana special investigative team no ye de mobile phone numbers bia tudwa as of Friday beko team ne ho direct number 026 2122 086 baako de ka ho so 0244 994 and afi so 0244 280001 ofra ebeko investigative team no na boa yen na yenya information ebeboa ama investigation no akontentem ni metimi chisa akromfoi ama omo ede o makosi emran
President Sila abaye Buckman director of public affairs ma process adwuma no ene ne yeti ya o chirechire mo no na de bra Facebook said the American wa bra ugina ho ma behu bullion van no de friend say bulletproof no ena ye blue a eda enchen no ana Ghana hanum de de transfer sika no bi na si hanum no sabeta frache woto tai bo mu kura beka protein no woto tai na we de yekum protein no wo mu no fita na si ho no mu protein no so na sese ni mfoni eda benkum so hanum no na bullion van na yo ade ato ho no no ena me kire no bulletproof eno na abeti ase yie eno de de benkum a kese blue kama ena Ghana hanu so de na esika de konse de tie bia no eno ena no so de ni fan atre se tai kra to bomu a ebeka woni ya chim no yento so na yenko yanim na kwamkulenu
kwamkulenu na ko sin ho kwame akwaba
kumi so
na uko ye
yekodu ye no ni ehu ye ne se amanfo no ho kire se ehumbu abo mu kakra sanse no munim se bibisa betimi asi wo ho because ho no nkasa ne eye bia akobadie ekoso wo ho pa na nipa nso doso wo ho nti no saade ne si na se ehu abo mu
nti na se ho nya baabi a wo beka se ho ye din obi betimi akase wo fa bronya ho awekra kase ho hye kakra ena wia ketekete bibisa asi ye
bibisa timi si ye
etu ko ye no na wo mo ye den wo mo ahyeso wo no ma wo mo ton wo ba Facebook a video na wo de ba ye no ye hu se ebo ne de no de gu ana agata mo yi de gu e de na akoso ho
ukodu ho a baby a ebinim anya adwuma ebi ma ba ho mom de bo mo nya adwuma won se ho no mo ye trunk am Fredico school na ayon ya kan say ade ade tunta de sa ayon body bi ho no mo ye sa no ma no nti bi ma ba abade bo mo nya adwuma ono mo che se ho so eno ani si ye nti ne bi so am adwuma because ehu aka wo mo na ukodu ho a ho no ekwan ye nan ekwan e butumi afa so ko ne makoma no eye se ufria na okofa kolebu bukum boxing arena ho ba ko ho betimi de wuram na wuram wi a okọ wonum kakra so ba ko okwan ba ko da nsani fa a wo betimi afa so san kwa ko simen road num na okọ wonum tintin so a ba ko san da ho na okọ kakra so nsani fa ekwan ba ko san da ho nti mo se omo baaye no taxi driver bi na di omo baaye nto no duru ho no oklose banka no
taxi driver be na
edi omunim no
ono na de akronfo ne baaye
oni yes akronfo se ye tie no se enra no mka se akronfo ne di motor phone ne baaye but omo ye kodu ho ne no mka se na taxi bi so e kan omo ho enum na etuo no egu nti Robert no mo no omo ti motor no so no mo nkita tuo nti omo nam te se na ebi omo ti obi a omo ti motor so omo kọ keke nti omo kodu ye na taxi driver ne block banka no
it is anya traffic na chi
anya traffic
wo mo sheda the taxi ne be gina car na nim ena car ni gina ye ena omu si kofa atu
no na ni oye ne se maame na aboba ne car no omu so ono toto nsuo ene nsadokodoko ebi wo ho nti ode taxi no esi bank car na nim sa no ana osi ye cause ekoma no so kwakoto insa nti maame no ewura babia ne nsa no so wo yibi e de abre no ena omo nkrofo na nkasa Robert na nkasa so esi free motor no so ono mu bie car no ono mu yi omutuo no nti police ni no omo se osi taxi driver ni si kwa ne sa no ono ni bie ni gate ni kakra anka wo tia taxi driver omo yi car ni free ono omo nko nti che so mu obie ye na okotia na che se
etuo ne to ye wone omo twetwe nkomo na omo ka bibi se maame no se de wo kan na nko wo kwa akoyi se rashu so kwa akoyi dio nti na se akronfo na bi na sheda call maame no so wo kwa akoto ade
sanete sanete
ni atese yese no marinsa pa uko no mo guso
no
e ma ne meme nyina
mo we pa maame ba kokra de o se orda asade ni gigina nani so nti se no hu ni obeye ena ba ko no so se owo bibi obetimi aye ama omo ache sa nkrofo na anka obeye because maame nya basa omo na na ho nti no ensane de omo we
kwame ye fansia Araho.
Answer say, dear ena echoes, but more importantly, he has a security answers because baby a Ghana air corner. Yes, say daylight robberies. Enka the normal trend I tell who Ghana Hanny say, Sankrofo Krabe Bonia, Omiana na Joe be done, but they say the only say, and we are kata by a Viani Siso, scorching sun, a Viani Bopa, na Am Robert's name. And Kofo be interpreting say. I just said there's complete collapse of the security systems. Now was here to me now wasem near Cassette Baby say Ghana for ye safe and I say ye safe. Cause we am pony and I'm robbers called Rampage. Now no police headquarters opposite. One bora a forex bureau. A bochio obiemu ya no ma robbing momoko the motorcycle. Now no Gimpa road no so sa and also pew. Now oma tobo abonko for come I say a trend akoso. Gimpa students ni nyina complaining say dada de nyina unim. Now lectures say and I say bia student discussion cry yes e call into anadwa waso beba be yehye. But yen to me ntena Ghana ne yen ntena on kase. O man we e wo mu no ye be gya o man ni security e de ama enkofo de eya adwene chese ha adwene kra ane de asi anwumre. Kolebu road obi anim se sa akwan no a very busy road e dwedifo ane ayarefo no ne ade obi akwa apenda chese obi edi ni dwa obi akoba saa e ba ne sen ana amrobe se timi atrake ka ya from bank omo kono chese omo kwa attack car no police for van pick up o man say bullion van ate se bobo yi e first police ni on front to pay pictures na untumi na ya bo police ni tuoma na dwene nyina pie amene no pie ama moja pram police ni ekun obi abrante police mu pay no cry esen ate se me kwa adwuma bo so kohia kwanhyewu police ni abrante so no fe at the prime of his life onu be bia yakunu just like that driver ni oka ho cry de nyankopon na dum no nka driver ni kwa so ko modai no wo mbo driver to pay Uko Facebook says about pictures in be honum. Into viewer discretion is advice. Pictures in be honum and wash it. Why we now knew be our command? Says a be P. men crochet. And yes, I'm one jano cry to o yambesho. Not driver Nina, ya sambo driver Nina so it's you. When you pandum na driver Nina survive here. Mammy be or jina baby or bad time one in a ba. Oh, near bo mucho. Yanko pandum, I mean, so here, just a mate. Now I say, even in the police service, they may not even feel safe. You be free rapport boati ansane aba studio ni mpanifo abetwetwe koba say Ghana ye safe ana ade we o say kire say trend bi koso ana ebi mu de kwasha aho say aho na aba Ghana na o yesa ebi say Ghana fo ya na yesa ebi say galante na ye fight na na nkofo yesa but look o man bia mu no ese say o manfo no feel secure say police fo ankasa hwene no o mutumi ko robia. I think they even the bigger conversation about when you know should be said. Sa okada business ya Ghana ya their politics so ya hwani ya o Ghana na besa bebu abewe okada asemi baye Ghana ye nyina nim say e illegal so be ride a motor now they are commercial activities but politics inti obi antumi nkoka 2020 elections na kwa say na ya begi okada adwuma ebi so ya be mo okada fo aba na che say oh ba mo be aba bedu no. And yeah, Crono way I can from the course of Gimpo, the called police headquarters, and then the course of Colebuni, a motorcycle no use. And conform other issues and also motorcycle, yeah. Say, yeah, politics, yeah, the motorcycle, cut a business here. Nay, and yes, a bay illegal. Say, almost your money illegal. Almost your more license, your more money. Your more license, no more money. Who is going to monitor? One pound or didn't anybody chase a high, where you cut that? Where do you, or am robber? Where do you say? Na say no cry hunu de papa o obi anamu and Ghana no answer the bigger conversation na ama okada so ababe business a ujaya enye yesu chese Ghana no ayem penny for have failed to plan the cities Accra de wobo uko Kumasi another bobo say car kwan ya wo nkura kese mu Kumasi takra de Accra any ade ni nyina the same car kwan ni the same yemfa bi meka ho yenye inner rose na nenam fiche no anka yebetimi aye yankofo wo so ebe kra be yenye de bia nso kai ye de bia ka ho Ghana aban to mukra ya na mote port amogigi duty enti muntumi ntina ma mo nka se munim car se ba Ghana every year you know because before car bia beba wo kra Ghana government anya na ye manufacturing nya na otu aka no nka nya na otu aka no workers anya na otu aka no nsuo kra ye gi duty mpemanim sika no to kra ye se de hu bi de mo de ye me I did duty implementing. So you know the cars about Ghana. It's because you plan Ghana year about number of cars on chronim. Any baby I was a cars near more of 20. Say traffic a jabo aji baby aboso. Over airport traffic similar. Workers to me the bear 3-4 hours. Now, what kind of country is serious to develop? Wage a crowd any bobo, one sorry of machine on I know me, sir, to me, baby. Eh? Oka 37, Bobo, Ring Road Central, Ufila, Ufa Laboni, Nababe drew a phrase say, Ring Road, so I could find him, I could do circle, Bobo. Traffic simile. Tama, Oka 25 for crying so, just a motorway you cry traffic is so. Sprinters, Bessie, a cry, near Okra, near the fear. Now, Kofa wage a car, swan and potter one near Budumura, and then Paton Kobaby Okono. So you fairly to plan Accra. Any other cities to say Kumasi Takra, they Cape Coast near Diano. The Abayana said people who use alternative means of transport, which is Okadano. In your mind, we say I'm planning out. Yeah, I'm planning. At the end, there was so many levels. But the bigger conversation, then you may pass your canvas and yeah, but healthcare, AstraZeneca, Sputnik, and I'm not the but and when he has a MPC near do a mobile. Say a bobo to yourself, Ufrobia. Ufro bia oma ewiam po ne abotue na do no nya na yire ne ma hono mra. We are not safe. We are not safe. Na besi sabre yanti Minister of Interior yanti bibiao yanti defense minister and patrol wo dey dominate you. So the soldier for armed forces for cry the Bible good town and patrol wo dey for good town. IGP former IGP Abdullahi or say Alasan time. Not police for visibility. We may have to bring the visibility back. Daytime near the Yama police for just say now police for Yamo Kona, so the incentive near the Momo. Yen I to Ghana honey a year COVID, the lockdown. Police for one forcing lockdown, 1 million crowds here, the police will cry. Now confide it. And confide your headquarters. Oh no, so do no money. Obviously, I bet police for Diane. Adrian na me call round. Vim lady me call for near call round. Ma police for Adriani tea, bread near day. O call round na police for you now complain. What to mean can? Obi J 1 million na buy see ma police for no be J our headquarters. I say I mo. And one more ne Talia fun bi omo call no ma police for one so wa unkra uni. No be J. So yeah, can say any police visibility. We must think about the welfare of police. Abranti awo we. Ana na mini about the lawas lo clue can we be one o mako oh ya be masika me ye ni akonya o di eja wan ni o na watche no obi ediri fufuo no no na busuafo no maluzu. We need practical long-term measures. I bet you say welfare the mama police for ni say ni protect police ni who in the line of duty compensation say ni de be ma ye bet you obusuafo ka for a long time anya say abeka krobi anyo Obianye, the way we are, me see, me are many to a police for uniform, could die, I will baby a tie and die. Sudi, any other police for uniform. And Papa, the police for crowd, one koto. We can't treat our police like this. Now we are the police even call risking the life. Anything a police for the baby, I saw me give you up. On one more conya bontia. On fact, now come on, man, you cannot blame the police officer. You cannot blame him. Wabre. The people at the top, no. As I'm going to say, "Koye mama." Police if one hour ground, then koye mama. Almost so on back because service no rules. They just say you cannot come outside and complain. You cannot demonstrate. Yes, you can come on, mama. Say, "Yeah, boy." Meanwhile, me say me minim asama. Baby, I police for uniform die. Me am alcohol. I die police uniform. How can we do that to our police officers? Now the American police ni, and now Dubai police ni, to Ghana police ni. Wa say, ya three police for na JJ mu. Ya two security service na JJ mu. Respect be any. Akasa aka fo mati abrofre AK-47 here the ma police for yi. Mo mbetumi ato pistols ni ade ni ade hye police for hu. Ya ma police for na accoutrement ya wo ba fear and panic. Na say na mo so moto salon bi ade ama police for say, ama mo ve me cry aba so better no so. We need more resources for the police. The Minister of Interior, we are waiting for you to come and give us a plan. I just say you are protecting us because they said here, we don't feel protected. We don't feel protected. Police if want to cry, we don't see say more show me ye.